Once upon a time, a flock of vultures flying in search of prey reached on Iceland, which was surrounded by the sea. When the vultures land on the Iceland, they find that there are many fish and other small animals here, and it is very easy to hunt them. They think that here we are also not in any danger from any big predator or animal. So those vultures eat frogs, fish and crabs on this island. And for 2 days, all those vultures started liking this place. And none of them wanted to leave that place because they did not have to do work hard. They were getting all their food on this island by not doing any work. All the vultures were enjoying very much on that island. Then an old vulture asked them to go back. But none of the vultures wanted to leave the island. For this reason, this old vulture was refused by the other vultures to go back. The old vulture explained them a lot, but none of them was agreed to go back. Now, that old vulture leave this island alone. By the time the old vulture returned to the island after about 2 years, the sight of the island had become very grim and painful. Everywhere he looks, vultures' dead body and some injured vultures. Seeing this, the old vulture was surprised, and he asked an injured vulture that, "Who made you in such a condition?" This injured vulture said that, "After you left, we were living a fun life on this island. But suddenly, one day, a big ship came to this island, and many leopards came out of this ship. As soon as we saw these leopards and tried to fly, we were not blown away due to our heavy weight. That's why these leopards started hunting us. I now understand that after going into a comfort zone, it is very difficult to come out of it. And if any difficulty comes, it becomes very difficult to face it." Friends, we get a great lesson from this story is that people who think comfort zone is good, later the same comfort zone becomes difficult for them. But the people in whose life difficulties keep coming are actually the people who are alive. And as long as you continue to face adversity, you will continue to move forward in life. Because only difficulties takes us forward in life.